We come to the elevator at Dillard's at Tucson Mall in Tucson, Arizona. It's a Dover. It's Dover Impulse. Let's get our cab view. Dover door equipment, blue. Bumpers. Let's go up to UL. What's this thing doing? Here we're on UL. Let's watch the button go out. Indicator is burned out. Let's ring the bell. You have both an infrared eye and a bumper. See? Watch this again. We got the infrared eye on the bottom. And we got nudge mode. It didn't go anywhere. Let's go down to LL. We'll get our cab view. Ask 3,500 pounds. Dover installed by Arizona Elevator. It's Dover Impulse, an early one from the late 80s or early 90s. I think early 90s. It's a Dover. And it's going up, so we'll let it go and we'll listen to the motor. Anyways, that's gonna be it.